Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Algara. My colleague Francisco Castano and I wrote this article titled Long Span Freeform Domes. As you know, the dome is a very efficient structural form that has been used since antiquity. It is ideal for very long spans, but realizing its potential had to wait centuries. Not until the advent of the metallic skeleton was it possible to build domes spanning more than a hectare. Still, the largest domes have been mostly spherical in form. Nowadays, advances in software and connection systems allow the application of beautiful self-supporting domes to cover very large free-form areas. One construction system that can bring these amazing long-span covers to life is Geometrica's. Geometrica has built several of the largest free-form domes around the world sold under the trade name Freedom. All Geometrica structures are made out of lightweight and strong galvanized steel or aluminum tubes and aluminum hubs. The connecting hub is an extruded aluminum cylinder with several threaded slots. Each tube is formed at the ends into a matching linear shape that slides into the hub's slot. When all the tubes in a certain hub have been assembled, the joint is completed with a single bolt, washers, and nuts. This system has proven to be strong, versatile, and effective in hundreds of projects in over 40 countries around the world. This paper explores 6 of Geometrica's largest freedoms. Nemac manufacturing plant in Monterrey, Mexico. This project required a facility that would allow for flexible rearrangement of the manufacturing line process with as few obstacles as possible. Each one of these freedoms covers 18,000 square meters and spans 224 meters in their major axis without any interior supports. San Cristobal Mine, one of the largest mines in Bolivia. For this project, the mine couldn't afford any downtime of their stockpile. Therefore, believe it or not, this dome was built over an operating pile. This freedom covers an area of 15,500 square meters, spans 142 meters, and rises 59 meters to the apex. Its spring line accommodates a 9-meter change in elevation. From Bolivia, we now go to Chile, to the Caserones mine high in the Chilean Andes. With 145 meters in diameter and a height of 94 meters, the Caserones Freedom is the tallest dome Geometrica has supplied. But its height is not a whim. The dome was built to withstand over 8 kilopascals of ground snow load, so its height was increased to shed as much snow as possible. Of course, this meant it also had to withstand stronger wind pressures. After careful consideration and a lot of analysis, the optimal height of 94 meters was established. Staying in Chile, but moving from the mountains to the coastal town of Coronel, we find the Bocamina Freedoms. This power station had 2 large fuel stockpiles scattered all over a vast area. After doing some research and due to the project's required spans and irregular shape, Chilean contractor AEC retained Geometrica to provide the required structures. Bocamina North was built first. Its longest span reaches 205 meters and its apex 47 meters above ground level. It covers 22,400 square meters without interior supports. Bocamina South came after. Its longest span reaches 182 meters and its apex rises 42.5 meters above the ground. It covers 22,500 square meters of coal piles. From Chile we go all the way to Nigeria, Africa, where the Glory Dome is located. For this amazing project, the drawings provided by the architect showed a single curvature bolt to cover a 228 meter by 105 meter rectangular plan, but he challenged Geometrica to come up with a more efficient solution. The result was a free-form dome of double curvature that weighed less than half of the single curvature option. The Glory Dome covers 22,250 square meters and has a maximum span of 228 meters. The height of the dome was limited to 25.5 meters from its base. Close but not that close is the Jeddah Superdome. Saudi Arabia is focused on diversifying its economy and one target is boosting the country's tourism. As part of this effort, a new venue worthy of very large events was envisioned for Jeddah. LDB, a German company that specializes in quick construction of event venues, was assigned with building a record-breaking 210-meter diameter dome. LDB reached out to Geometrica. The dome, designed by Geometrica, was self-supporting during the entire installation process. No temporary supports of any kind were required. It was the beginning of the year, and the original schedule called for opening the new facility in late spring. This would only be possible if the dome was manufactured in Jeddah itself. To accomplish this, the client shipped one of Geometrica's production lines by air from Monterrey to Jeddah. LDB built a temporary building to house the fabrication line. This new Jeddah Superdome, as the owner calls it, covers a staggering 35,000 square meters without interior supports and holds 2 Guinness World Records, largest geodesic dome and largest dome with a continuous roof. As shown in this paper and presentation, the Geometrica Freedom system provides true freedom for architects and engineers alike. It can be used in virtually any type of project including arenas, atria, museums, houses of worship, and industrial buildings. Thank you.